guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna work on the cover of the new journal, or new old journal I started this year. This was actually inside the journal. I was on one of the pages and I peeled it off. It's just a magazine page. Peeled it off, painted on it, and I really love it. Love the colors, love the poem or quote on here. I'm gonna get rid of this eventually. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stick it on here with my where is it? Mod Podge. This is actually for fabric, which is good because this is kind of textured. It's like there's a fabric definitely on here. I watered it down a little bit with water. I don't want it too thick. You can use acrylic medium or regular school glue. I'm just going to put this on here and then also over top. See if I can seal it in. See, I hope I'm not going to wreck the paint on it. Okay. Kind of center it. I don't know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to just go over it. And you can do this with just a normal magazine page you like, and then paint obviously after on top of it. I do have to do a little bit of covering here because it's not 2020 anymore. Can't believe it's already 2 years since I did this in the somewhat quarantine days. Started this journaling process and then kind of stopped last year. Okay, this is pretty much dry. There's a couple of sticky spots and there's some air bubbles, but it's okay. It's the cover and I kind of like when it's kind of wrinkly and vintage looking. So I squeeze it. I got some white paint here. Turned gray now. And I'm gonna just go over it here with a little bit of white. Gonna get rid of this. We'll see if it sticks. It might not. Should have done that before, probably. Hindsight 2020. As they say. I can't read my poem here anymore. I need to move it. Paint off. I'm going to use my hands. Never mind the paintbrush. To kind of mix it in. And the sides and the back, going to be another day. Yeah, you can use your fingers or a little sponge. And I'm just going to use my old trusty paintbrush here. kind of like the vintage look. Old piece of paper here. Let's just put some more, a little bit more clear, pure white in here. It's muted, which I don't mind, but freshen it up a bit. Really have to cover it in white for now. That might be nice. Start something, you think, yeah, it's not going to take long. And you fiddle around, perfectionism comes in. In my case, anyway. Okay, that's good enough for today. To let it dry. And then, I don't know, we'll see what I'm going to do. If there's a little bit of greenery or something, or gold, I'm not sure, but I need to let this dry first. Okay, so here is the cover. Very romantic kind of looking. I kind of like it with the black. I put some flowers on here in the corner where that writing was. And yeah, we're going to do a flip through really soon. Just want to do this page. See if we're going to do it today. But that's it for this video. I hope you subscribe, like, and share, and check those other videos out I did. Link over there about the pages I have done already and how I started. I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own 2023 journal. Have a wonderful week, and see you in the next one.